Money's a little tighter these days, and big purchases don't come easy, but that doesn't mean you have to give up on the idea of owning a travel trailer. The Sunray 149 is a great example of how you can still get out on the road without stretching your budget too far. This compact trailer is built to be an easy entry point into RV life, and it's been gaining a lot of attention since it first showed up. Even though it's small, it manages to pack in everything you really need. It looks clean and modern, offers some customization options, and can technically sleep up to 4 people, though it's definitely more comfortable for 1 or 2. At just over 16 feet long, it's easy to handle and doesn't require a massive truck to tow. In fact, most SUVs can pull it without much trouble. The layout is straightforward but thoughtfully done, making it feel more comfortable than you might expect at this price point. It's especially well-suited for couples or solo travelers who want something simple and reliable. Inside, the front area features a convertible dinette, while the back has a fixed queen bed. Between those 2 spaces, you'll find a small kitchen and a wet bathroom. The design has been refined over time, and the latest version feels more polished, especially in the bathroom, which now has a cleaner and more open feel. The larger fridge is another welcome upgrade for anyone planning longer trips. Storage is surprisingly good for a trailer this size. You've got compartments under and above the dinette, cabinets in the kitchen, and plenty of space in the bedroom, including a large pass-through storage area that you can access from both inside and outside. The dinette works well for meals or relaxing and can turn into a bed if needed, though it's probably best saved for occasional use. Nearby, there's a fridge with a freezer and an AC unit mounted above. Across from that is the kitchen, equipped with a 2-burner cooktop, a sink with a cover, and a decent amount of storage. It's not designed for elaborate cooking, but it handles everyday meals just fine. Right across from the kitchen is the wet bathroom, which includes a shower and a foot-flush toilet. There's no sink in there, but with the kitchen sink just steps away, it keeps things simple without wasting space. In the rear, the bedroom offers a queen bed, overhead cabinets, and windows on both sides for airflow. You can also add a powered fan for extra ventilation if you want to stay comfortable in warmer conditions. When it comes to features, it checks all the important boxes. You get air conditioning, a furnace, propane, a powered jack, a walkable roof, and even a roof rack. There's also a solar panel included, with the option to upgrade if you need more power. The water tanks are a decent size for trips off the grid, and the off-road tires with good ground clearance mean it can handle rougher roads pretty well. Another big plus is how lightweight it is. That makes towing less stressful and opens it up to a wider range of vehicles. And then there's the price. While it's officially listed around $20,000, you'll often find it closer to $16,000, which makes it a very appealing option. Overall, the Sunray 149 keeps things simple in the best way possible. It gives you the essentials, adds just enough comfort, and makes RV life feel accessible without cutting too many corners.